how many terms of the AP 45, 39, 33 so on must be taken so that their sum is 180. So here the series is 45, 39, 33 so on. Sum is 180. So here the first term is 45. Common difference A2 minus A1. 39 minus 45, which is minus 6. So common difference is minus 6. So clearly they are telling sum of n terms is 180. Sum of n terms is 180. So sum of n terms formula is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d is 180. N by 2, we need to find number of terms, how many terms. So 2a, a is 45 plus n minus 1 into d is minus 6 equals 180. Now here n by 2, 2 into 45, 90, minus 6n, minus into minus, plus 6 equals 180. So n by 2, 90 plus 6, 96, minus 6n equals 180. If you cross multiply, see this 2 if I multiply here, n into 96 minus 6n equals 2 into 180, that is 360. Now multiply this already. So here 96n, next step after this, 96n minus 6n square equals 360. Now if you write in a standard form, n square should be first and it should be positive. So take towards right side, 6n square minus 96n, and here already it is 360, plus 360 equals 0. In all the terms I can take 6 common. So 6 if I take common, n square minus 96. So 6 if I take common, 6 1 6, 6 6 36. So 16 plus 6 into 6, 36, 60 equals 0. Now here 6 if I transpose, 0 by 6, 0. So n square minus 16n plus 60 equals 0 by 6, which is 0. If I factorize this, 60 factors, 10 into 6, 10 times 6, n square minus 10n minus 6n plus 60 equals 0. Because 60, 1 into 60, 2 into 30, 3 into 20, 5 times 12, okay, 6 times 10. So 6 10 will suit here, like 6 minus 6 minus 10 minus 16. Now in the first two terms, if we'll take n common, n minus 10. In the next two terms, if we'll take minus 6 common, n minus 10. So n minus 10 into n minus 6 equals 0. N minus 10 equals 0, n minus 6 equals 0. N equals 10, n equals 6. Here both the terms are positive. So now you will get it out that which term we have to take. So you do. So first find sum of 10 terms and sum of 6 terms. For this question they may ask explain the double answer because both are here positive. Find S10. Sn formula is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So 10 by 2 into 2a. A is 45. Plus 10 minus 1 into d is minus 6. D is minus 6. Now 10 by 2, 5. 2 times 45, 90. 9 into minus 6. 90 plus into minus minus 9 6 54. So 5 times 90 minus 54 36. 5 times 36 is 180. So if you are taking 10 terms, you are getting answer sum as 110. Now calculate for S6 if you by using this same formula. If I do S6, here I'll do it. sum of 6 terms, 6 by 2 into 2a plus 6 minus 1 into d is minus 6. So here 6 by 2, 3, 2 into 45, 90, 5, 6 minus 1, 5, 5 into minus 6 is minus 30, 6 minus 1, 5, 5 into minus 6, minus 30. So 3 into 90 minus 30, 60. 3 into 60 is 180. So here both the terms are, like if you add 10 terms, you will get 180. If you add 6 terms also, you will get 180. How is it possible if you get doubt? See here, the value is decreasing series. Okay, some extra values if you take 6 terms you are adding, you are getting 180. When you take some extra terms, means the remaining 4 terms when you add it, some negative values, some positive values will become like 0. So still if you add 10 terms, still you will get the same answer, 180. Important problem. For this, at the end, they may say explain double answer. How many terms of the AP 63, 60, 57 must be taken so that their sum is 693? So here the series is 63, 60, 57, so on. In this, the first term is 63. Common difference is like A2 minus A1. Second term is 60 minus 63, which is minus 3. So common difference is minus 3. First term is 63. The total sum of n terms. See, sum of n terms is 693. How many terms they'll add so that the result is 693 is the question. Now Sn formula if you write, n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d equals 693. Now substitute the values of a and d. N by 2, 2a, which is 63, plus n minus 1 into d is minus 3 equals 693. Now n by 2, 2 into 63 is 126, minus 3 into n, minus 3n, minus into minus plus 3 is 693. This two if I'll cross multiply here, so n into 126 plus 3, 129, minus 3n equals 693 times 2. N into 129 is 129n minus 3n into n is 3n square. 693 times 2. 693 if you multiply with 2, you'll get 1386. Next, if you write in a standard form, 3n square, first n square and it is positive, so I am taking these two terms towards right side. 3n square, this plus 129 will become minus 129n plus 1386 equals 0. Now here in this you can take 3 common. If you take 3 common, n square minus 3 fours 12, 3 plus here 3 fours 12, 18, 3 6, 3 2. So 3 if I'll say on other side, 0 by 3, which is 0. So you are left with the equation like n square minus 43n plus 462 equals 0. Now I have to factorize this one. So n square minus 43n plus 462. So 1 into 462, you'll get like 462. 462 prime factors, you do it. You see, you need to get the product. If you add or subtract, we need to get 43. So 231, 3 sevens, 3 7, and 7 11. Now with the help of these factors, if you see here, see 11 into 7, 77 into 6, not possible. 2 into 3, 6, 6 into 7, 42, 42, 11, not possible to get 43. So take this 3. 3 into 7, 21. 2 into 11, 22. 21, 22. 21 and 22, you'll get the factors. So n square minus 21n minus 22n plus 462 equals 0. Here n if will take common, n into n minus 21 minus 22 will take common, n minus 21. N minus 21 into n minus 22 equals 0. N minus 21 equals 0. N minus 22 equals 0. So here you are getting n equals 21, n equals 22. Here see, both the answers are like positive. So do we need to take both? Here in this case, yes, you need to take both. Sometimes they'll ask this question as explain the double answer. See both the answers. Now if you find A21, which is A plus 20D. A is 63 plus 20 into D is minus 3. So 63 minus 60, so which is 3. Now once try to find A22. A plus 21D. A plus 21D, which is nothing but 63 plus 21 into minus 3. 63 minus 63, which is 0. See, if you'll observe, 22nd term is 0. So that's why if you add 21 terms, you will get 693. If you add 22 terms also, you will get 693. So here, number of terms like either 21 or 22. How many terms of the AP 27, 24, 21 should be taken so that the sum is 0? So here, the AP arithmetic progression series is 27, 24, 21, so on. So the first term is here 27. Common difference, that is A2 minus A1, 24 minus 27, which is minus 3. So they're telling sum of n terms is 0. So how many terms? We need to find n. So sum of n terms formula is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. 2a plus n minus 1 into d equals 0. So here n by 2, 2a, 2 times 27 plus n minus 1 into d is minus 3 equal to 0. This 2, if we'll transpose here, so n into 2 into 27 is 54 minus 3n, minus 3 into n, minus into minus plus 3 into 1, 3 equals 0. Now this 2 into 0 is 0. N into 54 plus 3, 57 minus 3n equals 0. See, you can multiply or directly you can transpose n value. Otherwise multiply. 57n minus 3n square equals 0. So 3n square. So if we take this towards right side, 3n square equals 57n. One n and n cancel. So 3n equals 57. N equals 57 by 3, which is nothing but 3 times 1. 3 times 1, 3, 27. 3 times 9, 27. Therefore, n equals 19. 19 terms are required so that the sum is 0. Here see, you can take directly 57 minus 3n equals 0 and n equals 0. Number of terms cannot be 0. So n equals 19.